Hello, this is the new Lego Naboo Starfighter. It comes with the Naboo Starfighter and it has R2-D2, young Anakin Skywalker, the Naboo pilot on this trailer cart thing, 2 security droids and Droideka. So this is the Naboo Starfighter, and R2-D2 has an ejector seat, makes him pop out like that. You can he opens that to drive the ship. And it's got a stand which you can make it spin round all the way around like that. So then the cart here, it has 4 missiles on the back you can shoot, a little box there, and the Naboo pilot that drives that. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.